I'm Taylor and I'm going to teach you about custom animation in PowerPoint. The first thing you got to do is you have to click on your Animations tab. And once you're here on the left side, you'll see Custom Animation. You click on that and it'll bring up the screen on the right side. So you can add animation to any part of your slide. So if you want to make the title have animation, you just highlight the title and you click Add Effect. And we're going to start with the entrance. So we want to come in flying in. So you select Fly in the entrance animations. See, and then you can choose which direction it comes from. If you want to come from the right, you can click from the right, and it'll slide in from the right. And you can select speed. I want it to come in slow, so it'll just slide in. And then you can make the title, once it gets here, you can add effect and choose emphasis. Like, you can make it do something once it's here. You can make it spin 360 degrees if you want to, very fast. So, if you click right here, you can look at your animations you have so far if you click play, and it'll show you your title comes in, and then it'll rotate. And then, let's say you want your title to leave after it's done. You can select Add Effect, Exit, and make it fly out if you want to. You can fly out to the bottom. And then, with your text, you can do the same thing. If you want it just to fly in and stay there, you can select box or something, whatever you want. There's a whole bunch of different animations. And if you don't like box, you can right click on it and hit remove, highlight your text again, add an effect, and if you don't like any of these, you can click more effects and just choose one of these and hit OK. And if you want to switch around to where it comes in at a different point, you can move it up. So your title will come in, then your text will come in. Like, I'll show you right here. Let's hit the play button and we'll see how it looks. Your title comes sliding in, and then your text comes in, and then your title moves and it leaves. And you can do the same thing with shapes. If you want a motion path, you can draw a custom path. Scribble is what I like to use. And you click where you want it to go, draw a path, and then it'll follow it like that. And there's also many different kinds of motion paths. You can add another effect, and there's all these different motion paths that you can use. It'll do an 8-point star, teardrop, whole bunch of them, whatever you want. Like, I want bounce right. And once you have all your animation you want, you hit play, and you can see what it looks like as a demo. And if that's how you want it to look like, then you can just save it as that. And you save your document, and that's what you have. But if you don't like it, you can go in here and remove the animations by right-clicking. You can also, on these, select the timing. If you want it to start when you click, you can do that. Or you can make it start after the previous one, with the previous animation, or on click. Those are your three choices: after, with, or on click. Like, after previous, it will come in after the previous animation is done. With previous, it'll come in as the previous animation starts. And on click, it'll only come in when you click the screen. And that's how you do custom animation in PowerPoint.